If your piggy bank is feeling lighter than a feather, it's time to beef it up. Learn to invest. It's easier than baking a pie. Okay, quick fire round. Why invest? Simple. Your money gets a job and works harder than you on a Monday morning. Imagine this. Every dollar you save today could be your ticket to that dream villa or a chill retirement. Now let's break it down. Stocks? They're like small slices of a company. Buy them and voila, you're part owner. Bonds? Think of them as a loan where you're the bank. Safer, but with a gentle profit nudge. And then there's real estate where you can literally invest in the ground beneath your feet. Remember, the golden rule of investing. Don't put all your eggs or dollars in one basket. Diversification is your best pal. It's like having different flavored pies at your party. Something for everyone, right? And let's not forget, even Einstein was awed by the power of compound interest, calling it the eighth wonder of the world. Feeling pumped? Start small, keep learning, and maybe consult a pro. It's like tying your shoelaces. Seems tricky at first, but soon you'll be running. And hey, drop a like or comment if you want more easy peasy finance tips. Let's make that money work. See you in the next one.